Hello lovers, Valentine's Day is here, and it's time for something sweet, like cookies. Relax, this is a simple recipe that anyone can do, and the key ingredient? Kisses, chocolate kisses that is, a sweet, sweet cookie treat that uses prepared refrigerated dough. We call them Cocoa Smooch Cookies. Sugar cookies with cocoa flavor rolled in sugar and topped with a chocolate kiss. Ah, Cocoa Smooch Cookies. First, place one roll of refrigerated sugar cookie dough warmed to room temperature in a large bowl. That's about a pound of dough. Then blend in 3/8 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix well with your hands until a good chocolatey dough forms. That's it. It's looking great. Okay, now divide your dough ball into 8 slices. Roll each slice and divide into quarters. Roll into balls about 1 inch in diameter. With this recipe, you'll get over 2 dozen cookies. Repeat this with each slice and then roll in 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then arrange on an ungreased cookie sheet and bake at 350 degrees in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. And by the way, place your bag of kisses now in the fridge to chill down. You're going to need them in about 15 minutes. They are the sweet element that puts the smooch in our smooch cookie. After 15 minutes, remove your cookies, and when they're just warm to the touch, press on a chocolate kiss. That's it. Now you're ready with some sinfully tasty Cocoa Smooch Cookies. Go ahead, share a little kiss with some sugar on top with your Valentine.